Dr. Karl Watts became interested in medicine at an early age during a career day in the 3rd grade. His teachers nurtured his love for science and fostered his dream of becoming a surgeon. It wasn't until his first medical mission trip to Ecuador in 1985 that he realized the world didn't need more surgeons. What it needed were more family doctors. It was then that he dedicated his life's work to providing medical care to those most in need. Dr. Watts' path to becoming a family physician led him to Boise, Idaho, where he completed his residency at the Family Medicine Residency of Idaho. He was attracted to the program because of its emphasis on rural medicine. He knew this training would help prepare him to work in the most remote areas of the developing world. Since that time, Dr. Watts has brought much-needed care to people in Kenya, India, Haiti, Honduras, Guatemala, and the Philippines. Dr. Watts was also instrumental in mobilizing resources to establish a 6,800 square foot medical facility in Kenya that now serves up to 60 patients each day. In 2001, Dr. Watts co-founded Genesis World Mission in Boise, a non-denominational Christian organization focused on meeting the physical, medical, and spiritual needs of those less fortunate in both his community and around the world. In 2003, when Boise was faced with the closing of its only free health clinic, Dr. Watts offered Genesis World Mission to open and operate the Garden City Community Clinic. The clinic, staffed almost entirely by volunteer health professionals, now provides a full scope of medical and dental services to low-income patients free of charge. Area hospitals and groups support the clinic by donating laboratory and radiology services. Dr. Watts also operates a private practice where he specializes in family and sports medicine. Dr. Watts has also become a voice for healthcare reform. In 2007, he was selected as the only physician member of the Idaho Governor's Select Committee on Healthcare. Following his lead, Genesis World Mission made its first foray into the political arena, helping write legislation to allow prescription drugs that are no longer needed by patients to be safely redistributed to low-income patients through charity and community health centers. Dr. Watts' service to the community and his profession extends well beyond these activities. For the care Dr. Watts offers to individuals in all seasons of their lives, the AAFP is proud to present him with the 2010 Family Physician of the Year Award, Waterford Crystal's Vivaldi Four Seasons Vase. Individual panels of the vase represent each of the 4 seasons. Continuous cuts around the top and bottom of the vase bind the seasons together, serving as a reminder of the never-ending cycle of changing seasons and changing life. Congratulations, Dr. Watts. We are proud that you will represent the specialty of family medicine in 2010.